Before the frame could be sent out to be powder coated, I'd noticed that there was some damage on the steering stop. I decided that this would need repairing. To repair the steering stop properly, I needed to remove it and make a copy of it in some mild steel. Once this was done, I needed to re-weld it back onto the frame. After that, I ground down the weld to make it look nice when it was powder coated. In this picture, this is the frame ready to go to the powder coaters. They will bead blast it and eventually put a coat of powder on it. Hey ladies and gentlemen, if you like the content, please put a like on the video, add a comment and support me with your subscription. Thank you very much.